All right, here it is, a 2024 Ford F250. This is sitting on our new 4-inch SS kit, and it being new is because the 23 and newer F-Series 8-lug trucks have some new configurations of the kit that we needed to update. So this one has all the new update revisions to fit on a 23 and newer. So this truck does have the scaling feature, and our radius arms are set up to be able to use the scaling feature, so you don't lose that. If you look down there, you can see the arm is got a new bracket to the radius arm, and that's still going to maintain that feature up front. And in the rear, we also have the bracket too as well. This truck is also running our radius arms that has a little bit more of a jog inset further, so then you can have a high offset wheel. So if you don't want them to stick out as far like this one is, this one's got a 5-inch backspace, and it's an 18x9, and it's running a 38 1350 tire. So there is no rubbing on that radius arm there. So that's something that we made sure that you weren't going to run into problems with this kit. It's running progressive 4-inch front springs, so it's got a nice ride around town until you get into the more heavier set spring rate for the heavier bumps. It does have our new in-house built shocks that are all specially valved for these kits. And again, here's those 38 1350 by 18 Toyo open country mud terrains on an 18x9 5-inch backspace wheel. This kit does have a upper track bar drop down bracket. Show you that on this side over here. You can see that bracket up there. It also is running our drop pivot arm. So that's going to correct the steering angle and the track bar angle. It has sway bar drop down brackets. And then another cool feature about our radius arms, I'll show you right. Actually, let me get back over down here. You see that lower eccentric bolt right there. That cam is going to allow you to adjust your caster. So drivability is going to be a lot better because you'll be able to get a truer alignment out of this kit. You're not going to struggle to find that green zone for the front end of track. On the rear, like I said, it does have the scaling feature brackets as well. You can see them right there. We do have a block and U-bolt kit that comes in this kit to bring the rear up to match the front. And as you can see, this truck is sitting really nice. The rear is not low and it's not high. So obviously, if you were going to be towing a lot of weight, you might want to add an additional set of airbags, helper bags. But this truck will hold the payload just as it would as a factory truck without the lift kit on it. You will not lose any type of towability or payload with the lift kit. I'll come around to this other side, and I'll also show you that there is no trimming with those 38 1350s. We still have all the Fender in factory configuration on that side, and then the bumper as well has not been modified. Just a small little nip right there on that lower plastic valance, but that's pretty standard. But otherwise, there's no bumper modifications at all. So this kit includes everything that you're going to need to install it, whether you're a shop or you're a do-it-yourselfer in your driveway. It has everything that you need, instructions, all the hardware. And if you have any questions upon install, you can always give us a call and we can help you out. As stated, this is our SS kit. So you'll find on these radius arms, it has the stainless inserts. Those are those plates that are a little bit further that are really shiny. And then it also has our black and milled edge billet face plates. So you have two layers. You have your stainless on the inside. Those are a thinner plate, and then you have your thicker billet face plate that bolts to the outside. It just gives it a nice clean look. Just those finishing touches if you want to have something that looks real nice underneath the truck. But otherwise, like I said, this is all do-it-yourselfer. You can do it in your driveway. And if you have any questions, give us a call. And you can order this kit through any of our authorized dealers. Thank you.